Okay, moving on. There's a whole bunch of different things in this homework. So we're going to just cover as much as we can in this video. More than likely, it's going to end up being a whole bunch of really short videos because it's a lot easier to upload it that way. This problem still says to use the order of operations to simplify the expression. And this expression is 6. And then we have a -2. And then we have a bracket, a -7, open parentheses, a 6 minus 7, close parentheses, a -4, open parentheses, 6 minus 5, close parentheses, close brackets. We're using brackets because they're actually what is enclosing these parentheses. Okay, they're still the same thing as your parentheses would be. So, following the order of operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, these go left to right. So, looking at my expression, I have a lot of parentheses and I have brackets. So, I'm actually going to start with these on the inside first. And so, what I would get is 6 minus 2, bracket, -7, in parentheses, 6 minus 7, signs are different. So we would subtract and keep the sign of the larger. The difference here is 1, 7 is the larger. Or use your calculator. 6 minus 7 would be a -1. And then we have a -4, open parentheses, 6 minus 5. Signs are different, so we would subtract, keep the sign of the larger, which is positive. Or this one you're a little bit more familiar with. You just do 6 minus 5, you would get 1. Then we have our bracket. So as far as the order of operations are concerned, we're still working right here. So we need to figure out how we can solve this. So working from left to right, I have 6 minus 2, bracket. If I look at this, I have a -7 times a -1. 7 times 1 is 7. Signs are the same, so it's positive. And then right here, I have a 4 times a 1, which is 4. Signs are different, so it's negative. So I have 6 minus 2 in my brackets. Usually I would start drawing parentheses here because you only need brackets once you have so many sets of parentheses, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep the brackets. If you do 7 minus 4, the signs are different, so you subtract, keep the sign of the larger, you would get 3. And then right here, notice that this -2 and that 3, brackets or parentheses, it doesn't matter, that's multiplication. So following the order of operations, we did our parentheses, we had no exponents, now we do multiplication or division. This is multiplication, so we would get 6, okay, and we get 2 times 3, which is 6. Signs are different, so it's negative. And so finally what we've gotten down to is subtraction. And so if we do 6 minus 6, we get 0. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Let me go ahead and change the problem over here.